Yeah, we're really excited to be here today to launch the Employer and Residence Programme. It's part of our Employment Bureau. The Bureau's been running at the college for some years now, but the Employer and Residence is a new initiative that we launched in our Newtown campus in October, and we're really pleased to be launching it here today. So the Employer and Residence is an initiative where local employers come and staff our Employment Bureau for the day. That means that students have direct access to employers to speak about career opportunities in the region, to undergo things like mock interviews, CV writing, and generally have their minds open to the sorts of meaningful careers that are going on in our region.
Well, as Tai Tarian has been identified as the first employer in residence within Neath 𝒒💏, I've been invited to come along and speak at the event this morning, which I've been delighted to accept. As an organisation that is a major employer in the area, as well as an employer that really takes training and the continued learning of our staff very seriously, then we've been in partnership with the college since our inception back in 2011. So I suppose our involvement has been at all sorts of different levels.
Mae'n ffantastig I fod yma. Mae'n ddatblygiad cyffrous iawn bod cyflogwyr lleol yn dod mewn i'r coleg ac yn darparu cyngor I bobl ifanc ar sut I gael swydd a sut I gychwyn busnes, ond hefyd y rhwydwaith o gysylltiadau sydd angen ar bawb mwyn cymryd y cam nesaf, felly mae'n ddatblygiad cyffrous iawn. Llongyfarchiadau.